In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a third generation Ring Chime using the Ring app. I will also show you how to select different doorbell sounds. So let's get to it. First of all, you're going to want to unbox the device itself. It's not a lot here, simply the manual and some instructions and the chime itself. You now need to open up the Ring app. Once open, scroll up and select Set up a device. Choose Chimes. It will ask you to scan the QR code on the back of a chime. So I'm going to press I'm ready to scan and scan the QR code. As you can see, it's detected for chime. It will now ask me for my address. So I'm going to choose my home address and press continue. You can give it a name. I'm going to set mine up downstairs. You now need to plug it into a socket. Now mine's plugged in, I'll press chime is on. It will then ask you to get your Wi-Fi password. So I have mine and I am near the device. It's found my network, which is 0, and it's now connecting. It's now set up and ready to protect me. There's now a few more steps we need to follow. First of all, we choose what alerts the chime amplifies. So I want it to ring when someone presses the front door. You can have motion alerts as well, but I keep this turned off. You can then select the tones it plays. There's lots to choose from, but personally, I keep mine on default. Once you're happy, press save and continue. If motion sounds are enabled, you can also choose what noise you want it to play. That's now saved. You can go back at any time to select your settings. And you're done. As you can see, the chime is now updating. Now let's ring the doorbell and see if it's worked. As you can hear, the chime sounded after I pressed the doorbell. If you ever want to change the settings, simply scroll back up, select the chime, go to settings. You can choose to snooze the chime. You can select how long you want to do this for. You can look for device health and change the Wi-Fi network. If you go to audio settings, you can also change your alerts. So let's change my tone and just make sure that does work. So let's go for ding dong. And press save. So now let's test the chime and see if that works. As you can hear, the chime sounded. You can also change the chime's volume in this setting. I like to have mine on max. Lastly, in settings, you have general settings. From here, you can rename the device, change the location, turn the status light on and off. And that's it. You're all set up and ready to go. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have, please make sure you like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.